So let's get started on the different parts here. So here on the left, I have an option to scroll between the different units and see what other content I have in this course and just, kind of take a look at stuff. I see my teacher hasn't added things yet to Unit 4 and 5, but there is some things in Unit 3. Okay, let's say I forget where I was. I can always click on this map and boom, it sends me back to where I'm supposed to be, which is Lesson 1. And here's the Lesson 1 title. And here on the right are the activities that I'm supposed to complete to finish this lesson. So you see the name of the activity. You can click on this box and actually expand it and then see when is the due date. The due date is also shown here on the side, which says Wednesday, January 1st. I can see it's a should activity because it's in yellow and it has an S label. And I see this little icon here, which is in blue, which indicates that there are some links I can click on over here. I see I have 3 links here. Let's take a look at those links. All right, and this opens up a worksheet for me. I need to complete this worksheet, submit it to my teachers, and move on. So when I'm done with this, I'm just going to close that and go back to where I'm supposed to be. And now, I finished this. Let's say I finished all the different links, assignments here, and I'm ready to move on. So I'm going to check off this. And now you see the 3 dots. That indicates to my teacher that I'm done with this activity and she can go and check that on her side. Here below, we have lesson and video notes. So I can click here and, oh, great. I have an Edpuzzle video. So let's take a look at that. It opens up the Edpuzzle. Okay, this Edpuzzle video is not working, but never mind, yours will work. And once I'm done finishing the Edpuzzle video, I'm going to check off this box to let my teacher know that I completed watching this. And that's how I'm going to move forward. I'm going to click on every link if I have links, or just look at the description and see what my teacher told me to do. And then after I'm done with this and completing this, and you see some of my links don't work here, but I guess my teacher forgot to put the right links in there. But I bet your teacher is not going to do that kind of job. She's going to be great about this. So, but when you're done doing your assignments, you can just check off that box and move on. And these 3 dots, that means that you have notified your teacher that you completed it and you can move on to the next thing. The next 2 things for me are aspire to, and if I feel ready to do the mastery check, I can either click on the link and do that, and then I'll let my teacher know that I completed it. And once I checked it off, you see how the system immediately moved me to the next lesson, lesson 2, finding area by decomposing and rearranging. And now lesson 1 is still there. I can still go back to it. But like you see, I'm waiting for my teacher to give me confirmation that I mastered all these activities. But in the meantime, I can still continue working on lesson 2. Okay, great. So I'm going to pause the video now and come back to you when I show you some teacher responses.